everyone, and welcome back to Math Merit. Here we are getting ready to start with concept number 3. So please make sure you have your pencil and paper ready to get started on your notes. Alright, today, concept number 3, adding and subtracting real numbers. Remember to always include everything that's on the board in your notes, and if you have the need to pause, please feel free to do so. Take your time and make sure you have all your notes. Very well. First, we're going to begin with absolute value. Now, the absolute value of a number is the distance from 0 on the number line. So, for example, let's say we want to find the absolute value of -4. Let me get a better marker. So, if I ask you, what is the absolute value of 4, this is what you're going to do. You're going to begin at 0 on the number line. Now we have a positive side and we have a negative side. I asked you for the absolute value of -4. So, we're going to go towards the negative side. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the distance from 0 to -4 is 4. So, the absolute value of -4 is 4. Very well. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do some adding and subtracting using a number line model. Okay? So, let's begin with number 1. Let's just focus on number 1. The problem is in blue, so I'm going to be using a blue marker for the number line. Now, we have 2 plus 3. Let's start with the 2. First, let's go to 0 and then jump onto 2. Now, we have to add 3 to 2, so we'll add 3. 2, 3. What is our answer? 5. Simple enough, right? Next up, we have 3 plus a -5. The -5 is in parentheses, so you know that the negative sign belongs with the 5, okay? So we're going to begin with 3. I'm using a green marker, and I'm going under this time. So let's go to 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, before I continue, -5. On this side, we have positive numbers. On this side, we have negative numbers. So, if you're looking at the screen, this way is right and this way is left. The right way is the positive way. The left way is the negative way. If we have a -5, are we going to be going right or left? Left. We will be going left because it is a negative number. So, we left off on 3. Now, we're going to move 5 times this way. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our answer is -2. Make sense? Moving forward. This time, we're going to start with a -3. Okay? So same thing. We start at 0 and we go to -3. So 1, 2, 3. Now this time we have a +5. So we're going to go to the positive way, which is to the right. So we start at -3 and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is 2. But it's a positive 2. Okay? Make sense? Remember, if something is not making sense, please make sure to send me an email. I might be able to explain this in a different way where it can be easier to understand for you. So just don't hesitate in emailing me. Assignment today. We have 3 problems here. These 3 problems I want you to solve just like we did the time before using the number line. So using the number line, solve the following. You're going to draw a number line. You can do it on 3 different number lines, or you can do it on one, but make sure you use different colors to identify the different answers. That way I know that you understood what I explained, okay? Again, if you have any questions, please reach out. I'm here to help. I hope to be hearing back from everyone very, very soon, and I hope you have a very wonderful day.